Hi, this is Nancy Rolfsma with On Point TV and Quilting with Nancy, and I have been asked by FreeSpirit Fabrics and Sue Penn to help introduce her new line of fabric called Butterfly Fields that will release October of 2023. So you can see the main piece behind me. This is where it kind of got its name from. These are these big butterflies. Keep in mind these butterflies are a 24-inch repeat, so they're quite large. So when I show you the project I'll be making, you'll understand why I made it the way it is. It'll be an 80-inch square quilt using large sections of this fabric. Do notice that it's slightly an ombre too, a little bit lighter at the top and then comes down dark. Very beautiful piece of fabric. Now I received in the mail, this is the box I received with all of the fabrics that I'll be using in the quilt. And I can open them up and show you, but I gotta tell you, showing you the colors on a slideshow, I think just show the colors a little bit better. So this is what the fabrics look like. These fabrics are, generally speaking, fabrics that Sue has painted. She is an acrylic mixed media artist, and her fabrics are then converted, her paintings are then converted into fabrics, showing all of her really great creativity and artistry. This is the stripy one. This will be used, I'll be using this on the inner border, and this will be my main border. These are some of her textures. The textures are the fabrics that FreeSpirit carries from Sue that are available all the time. There are 10 different textures. This one is brush strokes. So you're always able to find these textures no matter what collection you're looking at for Sue. This is the butterfly, the big butterfly. Again, that's a 24-inch repeat. This one has some cute little white butterflies in it over top, so I can imagine how she painted that. This, I believe, is called Color Burst. This one is Crosshatch in orange. Love the colors in that. I can't remember the name of this one, but I sure do love it. I think it might be Fireworks. That's what it was. And this one is Flowery. So here you've got a really great look at the fabrics that are in this new collection, Butterfly Fields. And I thought it was kind of cool to show you some of the processes that Sue goes through. So this picture shows you the one called Fireworks on the right-hand side, and then using her expertise on the computer, because she's been a fabric designer for such a long time, she actually overlaid the butterfly over top of it so that you can see the fireworks below it to create that butterfly. And these prints in the collection, she actually painted on a gel press plate using mixed media techniques, and then they converted them into the fabrics. Now here's just a quick look at the project that I'll be making on video. You'll be able to see that video come May 22nd, I believe, sometime a little bit after the middle of May. So be sure that you check out this collection from FreeSpirit Fabrics, designs by Sue Penn. Thank you for watching.